Ladies and gentlemen, today is the day. After running some $40 universal fender flares from Amazon, today is the day I am finally installing a real widebody kit on my Subaru WRX Wagon. This kit is made by BattleAero, which if you don't know is the same company that made the big obnoxious chassis mount wing that I installed in this car last year. So I don't want to wait any longer, let's go ahead and get this widebody installed. Ladies and gentlemen, the widebody is done. So, on the count of 3, I'm gonna whip the camera around and you'll get to see the finished product. 3, 2, 1. Boom, here it is. So it is a little windy, so I'm just gonna walk around and show you how it looks now and then talk about it a little bit. So here we go. Boom, just like that. So overall, I think it's pretty good. I know the wheels are a little tucked in now. Eventually, I'm looking to get new wheels, but for now, I'm not too worried about it. The other thing I don't like is that they're held on with self-tappers. These are the self-tappers that came with the widebody kit. I will be getting rid of the self-tappers and installing riv nuts, similarly to what I did with the cheap fender flares I had on there before. I think that'll look better, it'll hold up better. Overall, just riv nuts are better than self-tappers. Everyone knows this. But for now, they will do the job just fine. As you can see, the kit stays very nicely. It's not gonna get ripped out or anything. So I'm not worried about the self-tappers not holding. I just want to get rid of them soon and install riv nuts. But I am very happy with how this looks. And there we have it. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. If you want to see how to install this BattleAero chassis mount wing, go ahead and click this video right up here and click here to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.